Hello, my name is John Brien, and I'm a regional agronomist for AgriGold Hybrids. We're out in the field today to talk about growth staging corn plants early in their life cycle. Growth staging corn plants early in the season is pretty important for growers who are trying to apply herbicides, who are applying foliar fungicides, who are just trying to determine how far along a corn crop is. When staging corn plants of a small size, it is important that you understand the method in which you're using to do that. The method we're going to talk about today is called the collar method, or the vegetative method. So we go by V. V1 is vegetative stage 1, V2 is vegetative stage 2, and so on and so forth. That's the most common method that is used in the industry today. So first of all, we go ahead and we dig out our corn plant to try to determine what growth stage is this plant at. Well, we see all the leaves and we can kind of become confused of where to begin, but let's start at the bottom of the corn plant, work our way up. We start at the bottom and we count the very first what we call true leaf. That true leaf is a rounded leaf. All the other leaves of the corn plant are pointed. So we find the rounded leaf, that is considered V1. And on these plants, we're looking for what we call collars. And collars are portions of the corn plant that have made a little collar and separated themselves from the whorl of the plant. So this plant here, we have 1 collar, 2 collars, 3 collars, 4 collars, 5 collars. So this plant is known as a V5 plant. V5 is pretty important for herbicide applications, whether it be fungicide applications, foliar fertilizer applications, or just general knowledge about a corn plant. One of the things that you'll notice as a corn plant gets bigger is this round leaf, first true leaf, disappears. With this plant, you can see that it's starting to abort that leaf already. So if you go out in the field and you look for corn plants to try to stage, and this first round leaf is missing, all you have is a pointed leaf. Go ahead, add 1 leaf stage to it, knowing that that round leaf was there. So if we did not have that round leaf, we would have a V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. So this corn plant is at a V5 growth stage.